Hello friends, welcome to this seminar section. First of all, I introduce my topic. My topic is peer review. We know about different types of reviews like book review, product review, film review, etc. These all are give us a critical assessment. Different from this, peer review is designed to assess the validity, quality, and often the originality of article for publication. Its ultimate purpose is to maintain the integrity of science by filtering out invalid or poor quality articles. Peer review is the expert scrutiny of the result of a scientific investigation or the ideas, hypothesis, theory, etc., formulated by an investigatory project. Peer review articles are said to be the most reliable source of information that you can use. If your work is not accurate or not standard, it will be rejected. They must undergo a process of review and examination before they can be published. Here is a flow chart. When a science paper or research paper is written for publication, the scientist write up the research and send it to the editor, and then who send it to other scientists for peer reviewing. They give their recommendations, opinions to the editor. If your work is not valid or not accurate, maybe your work rejected, or maybe return it to the scientist for correction, or maybe accept it for publication. It requires a team of scholars who are more than competent for a qualitative assessment and unbiased review of the subject matter. There are some process behind peer review work. The author of the article must submit it to the editor, who forward the article to expert in the field. Because the reviewer specializes in the same scholarly area as the editor, they are considered the author's peer, hence the name peer reviewing. The impartial reviewers are charged with carefully evaluating the quality of the submitted manuscript. The reviewers check the manuscript for accuracy and assess the validity of the research methodology and procedures. If your work is appropriate, the review will suggest for further process. If your work is not appropriate or not valid and rigor, they will be rejected. Peer review encourages the author to maintain the required standard of work, and it is also help to avoid actual errors, irrelevant findings, unwanted claims, unacceptable interpretations, unfounded conclusions. Publications which have skipped peer review cannot actually claim credibility and earn the appreciation and acceptance by scholars. Peer review have some advantage include the validity of research based upon the expert knowledge of the other researchers in the discipline, therefore preventing falsified work from being accepted within an area of study. The peer review provide valuable feedback so that researchers can revise and improve their papers before publication. Peer review is the most effective method to make a work perfect, flawless, and error free. So it is a paramount importance in any scientific method. Thank you.